How long does a credit freeze take on TransUnion? Wondering how long it takes for a TransUnion credit freeze to activate? Let's clear that up. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll show you how quickly a credit freeze kicks in and why timing matters for your credit security. Step 1. When you request a credit freeze online or by phone, TransUnion usually processes it immediately. Step 2. In most cases, your credit report is frozen within minutes, preventing new credit inquiries. Step 3. If you request by mail, it can take up to 3 business days. Step 4. Keep your PIN or password safe to lift the freeze anytime you need. Step 5. Remember, a credit freeze stays active until you remove it, offering strong protection against identity theft. Quick tip: always confirm the freeze is active by checking your TransUnion account online after the request. Like this guide, subscribe to Guide with Samuel, drop a comment with your credit questions, and thanks for watching.